Hello dear traders and investors. With you project System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can study each parameter of the company in more detail. Now we will look at the company's current performance indicators. The Goldman Sachs, ticker GS. This review was created using information as of June 29, 2025. By classification Guru.Markets company, the Goldman Sachs belongs to the subcategory. Systemic banks, 30 companies are taking part in the analysis. The company's result, -1 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 0.2 points. If you look broadly, within the entire market as a whole, note that the average score for the stock market as a whole is 1.8. Against a minus rating, 1 point Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Goldman Sachs Group, Inc. and subcategory shares. We can see that over 12 months the shares the Goldman Sachs showed a 51% change. 39.8% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Goldman Sachs Group, Inc. valued at $211.96 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $3,683 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $109.13 billion. With a capitalization of the subcategory of $2,621 billion. Comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Share Goldman Sachs Group, Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 5.755%. The book value is 4.164%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The financial liabilities of the organization under study amount to $584.9 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 536% of capital. The result for the level of the company's financial obligations, very bad, -2 points. The ratio of the company's stock market value to earnings is 15, with an average for the subcategory of 12.4. Evaluation of market price to earnings ratios in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $14,176 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $15,405 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 1.7. The average in the subcategory is 1.6. Evaluation of market price to revenue indicators in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $125.69 billion. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $135,710 million. Assessment of the expected future revenue indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The marginality is 11.3%, with the average for the subcategory being 12.5%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in the subcategory by number of personnel is 1.615%, which is 256% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $4,558,000. And for the subcategory $1,279,000. Assessment of the amount of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is $304,900, with an average in the subcategory of $103,000. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $2,703,000. Subcategory, $822,000. Evaluation of sales volume per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 1.9%, with an average for the subcategory of 0.9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 80% for the company the Goldman Sachs, whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 68%. The company's actual share price is approximately $691. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $592. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made this season by the information system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the stock valuation, Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated help System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Do not open the deal, as the current video is an overview. Thank you for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.